Um, oh, there
Okay.
it is.
Share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next thing we do is to create a timer. Okay. Okay. In our field, we're gonna call the date. There's a class called date.
Yeah.
Start time. Import it. I think it's this one. And starting time, end time.
Yeah.
And take a look at my note really quick. Actually, this time it's gonna be really quick. And then we will. Okay. And then we'll have an integer called. So we have a start time. We have an end time. We
Uh,
need a. We need
so
a.
does the date is it measured in seconds or do you know?
Oh, it's measured in what's that called? Uh, smaller than second.
Oh, milliseconds?
Yes, millisecond. So 1,000. I think it's 1,000 equals to uh, one
To one
second.
second. Yeah.
Yes, millisecond.
Okay.
So we need a integer for our seconds, right?
Yeah.
And then call it how much we play.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, first thing we need to do is let me see. We need after after it dies.
And we'd activate end
And
time.
yes, and time equals new date and goes to uh,
Would period be end time minus start time?
yes, end time minus start time. Exactly. Will be minus get time, but but so then
So that's in seconds.
yeah, I think that's it. And now we need to display it, right?
Yeah.
Display on there. So take a look. Where's the drawing?
Uh, paint. I think a little bit up. Paint thread graphics.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's still maybe if
I think we're fine still working in here.
explosion equals if okay, so we actually need to create this. So this one is after crash, right? We need to create if it's if if planned life is false. Crash. That means planned life equals to false. So after this happens.
Yeah.
After the time an explosion and disappear happens, and then we can first set our color to white. We're gonna write in there. The background is black. The default default font is black too. So we want to set it to white so we can see it.
Yeah.
Just to say to a font name. Bold 50. The size 50. And the set font. So set the font. And then draw W as string. And first one is transition size time. Second a P. Oh, just I think the whole thing is a string. No, no.
So
Oh, the first one is
it's X and Y.
yeah.
So we'd want
This X1, where is that? Okay, so it is actually the first part is a string. Okay, the first part is string and second X on Y. And then we're gonna draw to the second line of what are we gonna print on there. I mean, we can try it right now. We can try it right now. Nice, 1 second. And then need to set the color back to
the default.
yeah, the default. Where's what is that the default color?
I don't think we set the default.
Oh. see.
Unless, of course, we set it
Oh
somewhere.
yeah, no, don't think so. Put in here. Okay. Set the default color. Set back to the default color. Okay, I think that's probably our basic done.
Nice.
Now, the next thing we figure out is how we're gonna restart it, right? So
Ideally, we'd want a button below.
yeah, I want a button or anything. For now, I did I just do a for now that was I was just actually recall the main function. That's not really a good idea. But that for now, just for now, we can start figure out what thing we want to add.
Yeah.
Okay, but like I kind of said, I kind of print another string on the
Saying like restarting or something like that.
yeah.
Okay.
And make it smaller, like 30.
Uh,
And then shoot set one F2 and two. Oh, I think it's Terry calling us. Hey Terry.
Hey, Chief.
Hey.
Yeah, that's for you to be involved in that.
Oh, what? Sorry. What?
I said I definitely do want to be involved in that.
Yeah. Come to join us. So I send you the link to Canvas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I
Come.
did not see that.
That's fine. Yeah, I will see you in the Zoom. Did you see the link?
Yeah, I just saw it. Yep.
Okay. Cool. Bye.
What time are you meeting?
Wait, what time is the meeting?
Yeah.
We already started.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, come join us.
I'm there.
Okay, cool. Okay, hey Terry.
Hi.
okay.
Yeah, so let me explain what we did today. So today what we're doing is we're gonna add the timer in our game. So first thing, there is a class called date. Inside the date, there is a timer in there. So first thing, we call the date class and we create a start time. So we create start time and then we create an end time. And this period is just the time from starting to the end, how much time inside it. So first thing, when we create a new starting time, in here, the time actually already start counting right now, right here.
Mm-hmm.
But the end time did not start. So, I mean, the end time start too. And
it hasn't. It doesn't have a time yet.
yeah, it doesn't have time yet. So the start time start. So when you look at if our plan crashed, I mean, when crashes mean the bullet hit our plant.
Right.
And then our end time started right here. Like it has a time in our end time.
Right. Gotcha.
Yes, so our end time minus start time, because the time is in milliseconds, so we divide by 1000 will give us how many seconds. So now our period time has a time how much we played.
Okay.
And then after we have the time, we have to draw the time on our window, right? So after we crashed, the plane died, and then we write another if statement says if the plane died, and then we're gonna uh, we're gonna print. I mean, we're gonna draw some string on the screen says like how much time we played. This is the string in here. This just
Gotcha.
set the font and color of the string in here. This two line,
Mm-hmm.
and then we set all the time plus period plus second, and this is the location you want to draw the string. And then so right now it's when you look at the when we play this, and it hit it, and then it show the time in here.
Okay.
So basically, our this is done. Like the basic is done. So right now it's just we want to add more feature in our games,
Yep.
and then right now it's just I mean, for me, I was thinking, okay, we wanted to do a restart the game, and then
Yeah.
how we gonna do that, and then Jonathan was thinking about add a button in there for you to click it, and then we
We could
can.
I don't know. We could see if we like you were looking into a few weeks ago, maybe changing the background.
Yeah, changing the background, changing the plan, the picture of that plan, and then
And I
we
even thought about, having options to choose how many bombs you want to start off with.
oh, that's a good idea too. Yeah, that's a good idea too. So maybe I was thinking about through the week, maybe you guys can pick up a like a idea and start working on it.
Yeah.
So think about that, and then so we could. I mean, we could put it into our like. I mean, where is it? I think it's called. Remember in our this.
Are you looking for the Trello link?
Yeah, the Trello one here. To the code. Yeah, you could write in here. Okay, so like maybe Terry, do you wanna do change how many bullet, right? Is that how I spell bullet?
Well, before all of this, to change all these things, we might want to get a menu up if that's the case.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do, get menu. And I mean, we can write all in here. I just, yeah, what's another one? Restart game, right? Get menu, restart game, change background.
We could even have something different happen, like different bullets or different things happening depending on how much time has passed. Like say you've been in the game 30 seconds and then something happens.
Yeah, change what happened depend. Yes. Anything?
Well, I still think it'd be cool to have like 2 or 3 second shields.
Shields?
Yep. If you see all these things converging on you, you can hold the space bar down and it puts a shield around you. And you can only use it for like 2 seconds.
Okay.
And then it goes away. But yeah, that might be fun.
Okay. Shield. How do you spell shield? S-H-E.
SHIELD.
S-H-I-E-L-D. Okay. Shield background. Okay. So
And I think this is a good list, and we can keep adding later if we think of something else.
Yeah, we don't want to get too much right in the beginning.
Yes. Okay. So pick a topic, you guys. Pick one. We're going to start working on it.
I think for me, it's to change the number of bombs.
Change the number of bomb. Oh, okay. So, sorry. I'm gonna Terry. How about you, Jonathan?
Well, we want a lot of these things. I think we should get the menu up as soon as possible, so I'll go ahead and
Okay.
do that.
Okay. So, yeah. So getting the menu and as for me, I was thinking about the whole thing needed to be planned into a container, right? So that means we have to wrap those things to we have to create a JFrame first, and then wrap those inside the container. And then, so after we do that, and then we could do the restart game in there. So menu first, and then we can do this restart game. So inside right now, should I wait after the menu done to do the restart game? So right now, what we can do is the bullet is a logic thing inside, so it's okay to do, and then yeah. So restart game is the last one. After, I mean, at least after the menu.
Yeah, I think so.
So I will do the change background, change plan. Are we thinking about using, if we're using like the logic we used for last time? So I think we should. I think we'll still have to wait until the menu done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the things that you could do without the menu would be the shield and things changing depending on how much time there is.
Yeah. So since change it depending on how much time, like for me, I was thinking about like after 30 seconds or 20 seconds, it changed to you are shooting bullet out to like an object.
Maybe
right?
like some big alien monster or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, something. So let me do shield. And if I have time, I will start working on this, changing what happened on
Yeah.
this. Maybe I will.
Yeah, and if you don't get around to it, we can keep discussing it.
Yeah.
If it would be a pretty big feature.
Okay. So that's it. So change how many bullet get menu shield, and I will update our, where is it? Where's my GitHub?
So it seems to be right in the middle.
Okay, so we can start working on it.
Okay. All right. And, just push it over to.
Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I think it's updated.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so there's a no. If you get it done, that's perfect. If not, that's okay.
Yeah. So yeah. Do we want to keep going with this meeting, or do you think we're done for now?
I think for the project we're done. Yeah, and then if you guys want to talk about, I mean, just chat. That's fine. yeah, well,
I feel like in class I've gotten so far behind right now. It's just driving me nuts. I've been sick for a week.
Oh, see.
And I haven't been able to hardly even think when we're online.
Oh.
Um,
Do you have a trouble right now? Like
the last two projects I haven't even got started yet.
Oh.
Okay.
So
the last two projects is hard. I have to do a lot of research, and yeah. But if you have any questions, Terry, let me know. or let Jonathan know we're
Yeah.
willing
Yeah,
to
we're here
help.
for you.
Yeah, we're here for you.
Jonathan, I don't even know how to get hold of you.
Just I'm around just through Canvas. I'll usually see it.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, and what else? I'm gonna stop sharing.
Well,
Okay. Anything else, guys?
mm, well, I think that's about it for me. Um,
Yep, I think I'm
Okay.
good.
Okay. Good job. We already finished our project. We're just gonna make it better.
I didn't even realize I didn't have my video on.
Yeah.
that's okay.
Okay.
Well, it's
Awesome.
good. It was good talking to you guys.
Yeah.
Alright. Thanks,
Good.
Jonathan. Thanks, G.
Yeah. So the next meeting, I mean, we could still do the Saturday meeting. We just kind of meet up and talk about what we have, what we did for our parts. You know,
Yeah.
it's okay you're not finished. We're just gonna,
Discuss.
discuss like how much you did. Do you have like, do you need help with your parts? And
Yeah.
then if you do need help, we can start do research and help each other, and then just keep updating with how much you did and where you have, like, how much progress you have been done.
Mm.
So speak up if you are stuck, because the more time you wait, the it's really bad if
We don't
keep.
have a lot of time left. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing when at work too. Like if you're stuck and then you're shy or you're worried about speaking to your teammate, and then it's getting closer to the due date, and then that will be really bad. So
Yeah.
speak up early if you are stuck, so we can keep moving forward. And then there's no shame or no uh I don't know how to describe, like, but there's no, it's okay to say you don't know or you're stuck. It's
Yeah.
really it's everybody have that moment. Everybody does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to say anything. Just speak out. Okay.
Okay.
We're all here
Oh,
for each other.
yeah. We'll
So,
meet up and yeah, yes.
how did your interviews go?
Oh, my interview. So my interview, I feel like I did good, and then but they didn't do like a coding challenge
Right.
interview. So mostly it's just like a behavior interview.
Okay.
So I interviewed twice in the same company. First one is the software engineer team, and second is the quality assurance team. So I think I did better in the quality assurance team. Even they ask exactly the same questions. Exactly the same questions. But they sent me an email says they're still kind of considering. So they're saying like keeping in touch. We're still considering, and
Okay.
I don't know how the results are, but I hope it will be good. Yeah. So I think they're still recruiting right now. If you guys want to apply, it's called the IHC Intermountain Hospital internship. If you search it, IHC,
Okay.
and intern, they're my friend told me they're gonna hire 37 intern this summer.
Wow.
So 37 intern. Uh, if they're not, for me, if they're not, so last interview was actually a second round interview, and then normally third round will be the coding challenging interview, but they never actually mention it. That means they're probably not gonna do a coding challenge. And then if they don't do a coding challenge, it's much easier. It's just behavior. So you guys should actually apply and try it. At least, try it. So apply it and try it, see how it. Maybe we can work together again in the summer at HC.
Yep,
Hope
fun.
so. Cross finger. Yeah. Yeah,
Right.
try it. Yeah, try it. Apply it. IH3, Intermountain Intermountain Healthcare.
Okay.
And then internship. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay, I'll see you guys in the class and the next Saturday.
Yep. Sounds good.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.